If you're born between June 21st and July 22nd, you're considered a Cancer. So what are Cancer's sexual desires? You click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I do something stupid. Cancers are very spontaneous, but yet very sensitive. Like, they value shared moments. Instead of how well their partner is performing in bed, they're more drawn to like the emotion connection. They are drawn to be guided by their emotions. What they really want is to have their intuition just go wild and free and gain new experiences from it. With the right person, they are down to do whatever. No questions asked. Multiple rounds, they're about that life. They love rough and just wild sex. Even though they don't really indicate it as much, trust me, they want that. They crave that. Cancers can be very submissive. Even some of the people you might think that's dominant, they would like to be submitted. And with the right person, they would rather just give everything to you. Alright, so if you see a Cancer and they're angry, let them vent. Please let them vent. If you try to suppress that venting and things are just gonna get worse, just let them vent. Bonus points if those venting turns out to be sexual activities with you. Great. It's like, alright, I'm gonna fuck someone else then. Because Cancers are very like emotionally based, consistency is key. Once you start indulging the way of their loving style, you would want more of it. It's like a friggin' drug. It's like, I need it. I need it. For the love of God, please do not let their shyness fool you. Again, with the right person, because they do tend to be very picky, they would release a lot of sexual emotions on you. It's just like a rupture, just ready to just go. So when it comes to the best sex with Cancers, we're talking with Pisces and Tauruses. Oh, we really rocking on any block. We're really rocking on any block. Okay, so if you like this video, I made a playlist illustrating all of the other horoscopes and their sexual desires. If you want to check it out, if you know someone that's probably like a Pisces and you want to figure out what they like, definitely give that video a click, and we out this motherfucker.